Now, do you remember when you learned the news of his passing, Bel?
Yes, I was in Odessa, and he died in New York. Chaim Nachman Bialik, who was a great Yiddish poet, lived on a dacha, a country place near us. It was in the summer. He died in May. My mother describes that Bialik, who had a dacha next to us with a newspaper, Sholem Aleichem died. And the two of them sat next to each other on the dacha, crying. And our mother wrote a lovely little piece. She wrote short sketches. And she wrote a letter to her sister, Tisa, describing what it meant